Hello everyone and welcome to Fun with the Fab Fork with registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin.
Hello again everyone and welcome back to Fun with the Fab Fork. Today we are going to make a creamy, delicious, flavorful crockpot dish that is sure to amaze you. I call it Crockpot Tuscan chicken with sun-dried tomatoes and fresh spinach and creamy parmesan cheese. So without any further ado, let's go to the ingredients. So we're going to need 6 to 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 cup Parmesan cheese grated, 3 garlic cloves chopped, 1.5 cup heavy cream, half a cup of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of butter divided so that we can use them in 2 different sections, half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, chopped or cut into strips, 3 to 4 cups of spinach, fresh, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Thank you again for watching Fun with the Fab Fork and especially for subscribing. Your support is so appreciated. Please remember, for any ingredients and instructions, please check the description below. And as always, peace, love, and good eating.